was a Canadian-American television personality and game show host. He was the host of syndicate game show Jeopardy! Spouse Jean Caravan. He has been married to Jean since 1990. His father was a chef who had immigrated from the Ukraine as a child. He was formerly married to Elaine. His former spouse is an American businesswoman. Daughter Emily. His daughter was born in 1993. His son named Matthew. His son was born in 1990. His mother named Lucille. His father named George Edward. His sister Barbara. He had an estimated net worth of $75 million. He was born in Sudbury, Ontario, Canada on July 22, 1940. He grew up in bilingual French-English household. His first job was when he was 13. He was a bellhop at the hotel where his father worked as a chef. He attended Sudbury High School and then attended University of Ottawa. In 1966, he hosted a high school quiz show called The Reach for the Top. He graduated from the University of Ottawa with a degree in philosophy in 1961. While a university student, he was a member of English Debating Society. Before completing his degree, he began his career in 1961, working for the Canadian Broadcasting Corporation. In 1973, he moved to the US and worked for the NBC as a host of a new game show, The Wizard of Oz. He made multiple guest appearances on other television shows ranging from the Jimmy Kimmel Live in 2008 and 2011 to the Colbert Report series finale. In August 1995, in a return to his broadcast news roots, he filed in the Charles Gibson for a week on the Good Morning America. On 2nd Jan 2020, ABC ran a special of Michael Strahan interviewing Trebek featuring a behind-the-scene look at the taping of Jeopardy! In October 6, 2020, he made a cameo appearances in the 2020 NHL entry draft, announcing the Ottawa Senators' third overall draft pick team in style of Jeopardy question. On January 30, 2004, he escaped major injury after falling asleep behind the wheel of his pickup truck while driving along on the rural road in the Central Coast town. He owned and managed a 700-acre ranch near Paso Robles in the Crestone, California, known as the Crestone Farms. He also hosted a number of other game shows including Wizard of Oz, Double Dare, High Rollers, Butler Star, Classic Concentration, and To Tell the Truth. He also made appearances in number of television series in which he usually played himself. A native of Canada, he became a naturalized US citizen in 1998. He received the Daytime Emmy Award for Outstanding Game Show Host 7 times for his work of Jeopardy! On November 8, 2020, he died at age 80 after a nearly 2-year battle with the pancreatic cancer. He had been contracted to host Jeopardy! Until 2022. In 1997, he was awarded honorary degree of Doctor of University from the University of Ottawa. He received a star on Canada's Walk of Fame in Toronto